Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I sound a little off. My throat is like really sore this morning and I don't know why, but we're gonna try to get through this. But today is exciting because we are going to be testing out this Friendication palette that Desi and Katy collabed with Desi Colors. I believe this is their second collab with Desi Colors. I did not get the first one. So, and then I also picked up one of their highlighters. So before we get into this video, please be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Yeah, so I think we're gonna get started. So first off, the packaging. Like, is this just not beautiful? It's just so elegant looking. I love it. And then also they have all of the shade names written on the back. And then here are the colors. It also comes with a really good mirror. Isn't that beautiful? I'm loving the pop of blues in here and then this gold shimmer color. I'm just like stoked about that. And then these warm tone mauve pinks are just calling my name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by swatching these. I'm just gonna do the first row and then do the second row. Okay, I'm gonna say this one is called A Moment. This pretty nude color, which you can't even see on my skin. So there is it, can't even see it. Next one is called Dirty Money. There's it swatched. The next one is called Necessary, a warm tone nude color. The next one is called Cheens. I don't even know what that word means. C-H-E-E-N-S. I don't know what that word, okay, alright. This is really pretty. I would call this a gold with a green shift almost. This one is just beautiful. It's like a blue, but like it has a purple shift to it. There's the next shade. I'm gonna quit trying to tell you guys the shade names because I can't seem to figure them out on the back. Here are all of the shades. I think they are really pretty. I am loving these colors and none of them swatched patchy. The shimmers are beautiful. I'll go ahead and swatch the highlighter as well. It's also in this beautiful packaging. This one I got is called Chasing the Sun. It also comes with a mirror, which is really nice. It is a really warm tone highlight, which they had another highlight in the collection, and it's kind of more of a, I don't know, more of a cool tone highlight. This one is just beautiful. There's the highlight right there. So pretty. I love it a lot. And I'm like I want a highlight to like stand out on me. Like if I'm gonna apply a highlight, like I want to be like ba-bam, you know? Are you with me on that? So let's just go ahead and dive in and create a quick eye look with this palette just to play around with it a little bit. I think I'm going to go in with the shade, this one right here, just called Necessary, I'm pretty sure, because it's in the middle of the palette and the shadows are blending really well. This is actually my first Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I have a few of their lippies, but I don't have any of their eyeshadows, so I was excited just to pick this up to try out the eyeshadows. So then I'm going to go in with the shade, this one here, I think it might be Churro. Then I'm just going to kind of really work this into the outer part of my V here. I think we're going to take some of this deeper brown and work that even more into the outer V just to kind of deepen that up a little bit. think I'm going to take some of this pink here. I think I'm going to pack that into my inner part of my eye there. And then I'm going to go in with this green shade here with the kind of a gold shift, and I'm going to place that right in the middle of the eye and kind of work that into that brown shade that we have in the outer V. So now we're just going to go ahead and apply some of this highlight. It is really pretty. This highlight is so pretty. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied some liner, mascara, you know, the whole 9 yards. Finished up the look. This is the final look. So my overall thoughts on this palette is it is a really good palette, but it does have a good amount of fallout with the this pink shimmer shade here. It has a good amount of fallout, but the other shimmers that I used today, I did not notice any fallout, but those are my overall thoughts on this palette. It is really good. The colors blend. I really do enjoy it, and I can't wait to play around with it some more. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.